So this is a look at elapsed time. One of the things that we found that sixth graders are struggling with is how to get the distance of time. We can tell from 6:52 p.m. to 7 p.m. and we know that that's 8 minutes, 60 seconds in an hour. When we start expanding that a little bit more, it becomes more difficult because we have some calculations to do. So this is one way that you could solve for elapsed time. It's not the only way that you could solve this, but it's one particular way that sort of makes sense of this whole issue. First thing I'm going to write down is my starting time, 6:52 p.m. Very important to add my p.m. and a.m., otherwise I can get confused very easily, and that could be the difference of 12 or 24 hours, depending on if I'm adding days in there or not. 6:52 p.m. is my start, and 11:17 p.m. is my end time. Well, in my head, I know that that's going to be somewhere around 4 hours, or a little over 4 hours. So, 6:52 p.m., my next move is I go to the next hour. I round up. My next hour is at 7 p.m. That's going to buy me 8 minutes. Again, I'm labeling 8 minutes from 6:52 to 7 p.m. 7 p.m., I then jump to the hour that I'm going to end on, which is 11 p.m. Now, 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. is 4 hours. 4 hours. And then I have to go from 11 p.m. to 11:17 p.m., which is another 17 minutes. So when I come over here, I have 4 hours. 8 minutes plus 17 minutes is 25 minutes. 4 hours and 25 minutes. Let's look at one more example that's just a little bit longer. So again, I'm starting at 1:11 a.m. and I'm ending at 10:09 a.m. So 1:11 a.m. to 10:09 a.m. I might want to make a note if this were the next day, say this were Tuesday and this were Thursday even. I make a note of my days in another special section. Just draw a little line in here. So 1:11 a.m. I'm going to round to the next hour, which will be 2 a.m. Well, 1:11 a.m. to 2 a.m. is 49 minutes. 2 a.m. I go up to my ending hour, which is at 10 a.m. 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. is 8 hours. This helps to break down this time into manageable chunks so that I'm not trying to juggle hours and minutes and conversions at the same time. 10 a.m. to 10:09 a.m. is 9 minutes. So I add my 9 minutes to my 49 minutes, and I get 58 minutes and 8 hours. 8 hours and 58 minutes.